Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HubSpot CRM pipelines with drag and drop. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable HubSpot CRM pipelines with drag and drop functionality, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard located in the top menu. Click on the pipelines option in the drop-down. Here, you will see all your existing pipelines. To create a new pipeline, click the Create Pipeline button. Give your new pipeline a name that reflects its purpose. Next, choose the type of pipeline you want to create based on your sales process. Once selected, proceed to add stages to your pipeline. Click on the Add Stage button to introduce a new stage. Input a meaningful name for the stage and assign a probability. To rearrange stages within your pipeline, click and hold the stage you wish to move. Drag it to the desired location and release to drop it into place. Continue adding and rearranging stages until your pipeline meets your requirements. To edit an existing stage, click the pencil icon next to that stage. Make any necessary adjustments and save your changes. To delete a stage, click the trash can icon beside it and confirm the deletion. Now, to use the drag and drop functionality, navigate back to your dashboard. Begin by dragging a deal from one stage to another. Simply click on the deal and hold, then move it to your desired stage. Release the mouse button to drop the deal in the new location. You can see the deal's status updated automatically based on its new stage. Repeat this process to manage all your deals across different stages effectively. The drag and drop feature allows for a dynamic way to handle your sales process. Ensure to explore additional customization options for your pipeline in the Settings menu. You can adjust colors, labels, and visibility settings as needed. After setting everything up, monitor your pipeline's performance regularly. Use the reporting tools provided by HubSpot to analyze your sales data effectively. This will help you optimize your pipeline for future success. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.